Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. I want to show you today a really cool Western Electric wooden wall telephone. This is Richard's telephone from Michigan, and this is Western Electric's, the big wooden wall that they made, and it's the Americana edition by Bell System, and it's what they call the circa 1882. So it's a really cool telephone. This telephone here is very sought after. It's very hard to find. And basically Richard sent this telephone in because the one he has here is rotary. And that gives you a little look at what's going on here with the telephone. And it's just a beautiful telephone. And here's your dial. Now I have some Q-tips here that I'm holding the rotary in with because it's loose. And I'm going to give you a look at the see, they've got a sticker in here that says the Greenfield Village and Henry Ford Museum, and it's basically and then they have your telephone number plate here. But it's really a cool telephone, and he needs this telephone. What his request was to have this telephone turned into a touch-tone telephone instead of the rotary dial. So he was trying to bring it into a more modern situation. And I'm going to give you a little look at the back of this telephone. I'm going to swing it around here. And I have it all apart. I want to give you a look at the inside. It looks like a very typical Western Electric quality telephone. And that's some of the workings that are in the inside. You see there's a mouthpiece on the front of here, on the front of this telephone, and you can see the little amplifier stage for that microphone. And then you have your insides. Now, somewhere down the line, Richard has he disabled the bell, so that's been cut. And I noticed that the bell is actually loose, like maybe the screw was removed at one point. But I do know that the bell has been disabled, and what we're going to do there is we're going to re-enable that bell, and there's your network. It's a really, really cool telephone, and there's a lot of people looking for these. They're very hard to find. And then what you can see down here is the back of the rotary, and in that situation there is where we're going to place our round touch tone keypad. And then we're going to either wire it into what we already have as a network, or we may have to change everything. It just depends. But this gives you a look at the telephone real quick. It's just a very beautiful telephone and very sought after. You don't see these every day. And we get calls on these from time to time. We've done a few of these, but it was a repair. We've never basically turned them into touch tone. But now that everything is going to a more touch tone situation, I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see a lot more of these being turned into a more modern usability. So this gives you a look at an original Western Electric remake of a country type wall telephone. but it's their Americana edition, circa 1882, by Western Electric, the Bell system. So it's really a cool telephone, very nice. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Now I'm going to try to do some more videos of this telephone as we progress with the conversion that we have to do. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.